Handle those big old rolls of Prodex, whatever it is, Prodex. You can. It's difficult because it's awkward. But what I usually do is cut them up in pieces. I've marked from that fence to here, which you can mark from anything. Put a couple pieces of wood down, and we can cut on that at 13, 14 feet, and then roll it out. Roll it out. When you're cutting insulation of any kind, keep your hand above, not down here by it, or else you'll hop over, bunch up, catch on your material, and then jump over and hit your hand. Then we're taking it over there and we're rolling it up, and then we have all these rolls ready to go up. Whenever we need it, we'll have the guy on the ground toss it up to us.